Hello everybody, thanks for checking the channel again. This is the 7.3 IDI non-turbo I bought. For that truck, there's a turbo. And I paid $425 for this thing and started taking it all apart. And not too good. That is the intake gasket pan thing. Covered in garbage. I had taken out the thermostat housing. And that's the inside of the block. Yeah, it's not great. It's all gummed up in there. Not great looking. So I decided that I would rather just take the parts from both of these engines and then build one nice one. It's the old clutch. That thing weighs a ton. All this stuff came off because that's the 93 IDI turbo. That's a serpentine belt system. This was out of a, I don't know what, but it's a V-belt system. So all this stuff has to come off. But I'm going to end up probably keeping these rocker arms, see if the push rods are any good. I'm going to buy one of the R&D performance cams for this thing. Have the block and then the heads machined and cut and everything cleaned up and be good from there. Make sure there's no cavitation in this block. And I got to pull the motor out of the brown truck. I'm going to try and use those rods and that crank and buy some new rings for it and stuff and try and do like a budget build. I was hoping this motor would be good enough to put in the truck, but after seeing stuff like that, I don't trust it. And then seeing that, I don't know if you guys can see it too on the video, but a whole bunch of corrosion. And then whoever did this engine work last, they put Autolite glow plugs in here. They're all brand new, they're Autolites. I don't know why people put Autolite glow plugs in an IDI. You never do that. Buy the Motorcraft ones, they're like $1 something more, and they're a way better glow plug. It says they're Autolite, but it does. Yep, Autolite. Junk. So that's all got to come out, and all this has to come back off, and then pull the motor out of the brown truck and see what parts I can use from what, and make one good engine out of two bad ones. So would have made a video taking all this stuff off, but short on time. I got a new job. I go back to a new job on Monday. I quit being a diesel mechanic because that field sucks, and I hated it, and my job was a shithole. I'm going to be a industrial mechanic. Makes a lot more money. Union, 4 days on, 3 days off, then 3 days on, 4 days off. So double time holidays. Way better job. These are my 2 boxes from work. That was a new cart I'd gotten a while back. Some of the tools in there. That's an engine stand bought yesterday for $40, and that black piece did not fit the back of the big block, so I had to go out to Harbor Freight and buy a Harbor Freight one to hold it. $113 with a coupon. Works excellent. So, but we'll talk to you guys later though. Thanks for checking the channel. Like, share, subscribe. I appreciate it, and we'll see ya.